What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. You are very much welcome. Happy new month to you all. This is the month of May. Like, congratulations for making it into the month of May. And if you are new to this family, this is your first time of stopping by on this channel. We do skincare videos, we do reviews on skincare products, we take care of our skin, we give out skincare tips and anything that concerns the skin and beauty. So if you're interested in anything like that and you have not subscribed yet, please quickly smash on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified each time we upload a new video. And to all of you who just recently subscribed to this channel, my new subscribers, my new babies, my new family members, I love you all so much and thank you very much for believing in me. Thank you so very much for deciding to subscribe and stay with me. I hope you have a nice time on this channel because here we deliver good content. So in today's video, I am going to be giving you 4 amazing products that you can use to brighten up your skin. These are products that are suitable for skin brightening, not for skin lightening, not for skin whitening. Hear me well. Hear me well. These products are amazing for skin brightening. Now, if you are somebody who has been using Begginers or normal regular drugstore skincare products on your skin, and you are like, oh, I just want to step up my game a little bit. I want to do something different on my skin. I want to glow up my skin a little bit more. This product will be good for you. Now, if you're somebody who is thinking of lightening up your skin, I would highly recommend excuse me, I would highly recommend you watch this video right up till the end. Watch this video till the end, because if you want to lighten up your skin, you want to start by brightening up your skin. Now bear with me, I'm going to give you a little bit of insight before I talk to you about the products, because it is important for you to know why I am asking you to use these products. You shouldn't just be anxious to see the product, but it's also important for you to know why you should use this product. Now, for all my girls who want to lighten up their skin, who want to bleach their skin or whiten up their skin, you are a chocolate girl, you want to go get a caramel skin or a brown skin, honestly, or you want to even whiten your skin, which is up to you. It's none of my business. It's your choice. I would advise you that you start from the base, or the basic, which is brightening. Start by brightening up your skin. Don't just leave from a dark person to a white person. Honestly, if you do that, you are going to end up with your skin either looking like this or looking like that. You want to start with brightening because your skin is not used to skin lightening ingredients. You have been using Begginers all your life, and then all of a sudden you want to go and start using hydroquinone products. Like, your skin is going to go through a kind of shock, and because of that you end up with excess green veins. You're going to end up with white dots. You're going to end up with stretch marks. You're going to end up with sunburn and all those nasty things that you do not want to have on your skin. So that is a simple reason why, personally, I would suggest to you that if you are thinking of lightening up your skin, start by brightening up your skin, so that even the people around you will not know when that transformation really happened. Like, they just start seeing you brightening up, you start glowing, and all of a sudden, with time, you get to that desired skin tone that you want. You understand? So with that said, I would tell you that the very first product I would recommend to you is HT26. Personally, that's the product I started with. That is the very first lightening product I applied on my skin, and I'm so glad I started with a product like that because it is very natural. It has carrots. That's one brand that I can beat my chest for it, that their products don't contain hydroquinone. Their products don't contain hydroquinone. I've used a series of products from HT26 brand, and by the way, it is a French brand. It caters for women of color or men of color. In short, skin, all of us who are dark skin, African Americans, African, however you want to put it, HT26 is going to take care of your skin. And this particular lotion I'm talking about, I'm going to try to leave a picture. It has carrot as its base. So when you want to lighten your skin, or to brighten your skin as a beginner, you want to start with plant-based ingredients or fruit-based ingredients. And if you just want to brighten your skin and not lighten your skin, plants or fruits are also, vegetables are the best things to use to brighten up your skin. Excuse me guys, like I'm just coughing. I don't know what's happening. So get H26 body lotion, this particular one, and then get the soap. Then you can get any glycerin from the H26 line, will do the trick for you, just so your skin can be well moisturized. That lotion is going to give you a good skin. It's going to be a good one for a start. I already have a video on that lotion on this channel, because here I'm not going to be giving a deep, like an in-depth review of the lotion itself. So if you want to know what the lotion is made of, what it contains, what it does for the skin, what to expect and what not to expect, please quickly go and watch my video on the HT26 product, and you get that information for yourself. It's going to be very helpful for you. And then the next product I would like to recommend is DH7. Equally, I have a review on that product. Check the channel for the review. DH7 is another brand. It is a French brand as well, and it's very mild. If you are dark skin, you can use it. All these products I'm talking about, if you are chocolate, like very, very dark, and you just want to tone, you can go for the product. But if you don't want to tone at all, don't go for the products, because they are toning products. Yes, even though it says lightening, but trust me, I have used them. They don't lighten the skin. They will rather tone your skin and give a glow to your skin, even out your skin tone, but they will not lighten you. So that's why I categorize it as a brightening lotion. Now, if you don't want to, if you're going for DH7, get the soap, get the lotion, get the glycerin, and get the serum. Yeah, don't be scared. The serum, add the serum into it, and you are going to get a beautiful skin. It is very mild. You will not have dark knuckles or dark feet or patches all over your skin. No, this lotion is quite mild and suitable for your skin. Go on their website as well. I have a video on that. Go there, you will see the video, you will see the website where you can shop the products. Go on their website and check other products that they have and choose what you want. But I'm going to leave a picture of the particular one that I used. The third product I'm going to be recommending for you is Radiant Glow Botanical. I would say this one is it's made in the UK. I want to say it's an English product. It's made in the UK, and it also contains I think there are fruits and vegetables that they use in making this lotion. It's very mild. It's not going to lighten your skin. It's going to glow your skin. It's going to brighten you. I'm really not even sure this can give you even up to a shade lighter, but it's going to give you uniform your skin tone. Uneven skin is going to be evened out, and it's not just going to do too much for your skin, but it's going to help reveal your real skin and prepare you for the next stage if you want to lighten up your skin. So that's why I would recommend this product. I have also used this product. I have a review of this product on this channel. Go and check it and decide on whether you want to buy it or not. Now, if you want to go for it, it has a body lotion, it has a face cream, it has a serum. For me, the serum, it didn't do anything. The lotion didn't do anything, and it's very mild. Like, it is really mild. The face cream didn't do anything. The body lotion just helps, just added a little bit of glow to my skin. But mind you, I used that product when I had already tampered with a lot of lightening products. But for you as a beginner, I'm pretty much sure that it's going to do a lot for your skin, because your skin is not used to chemicals yet. I used it at the time when I had already used chemicals on my skin. So I'm thinking that was the reason why it was not so, something big did not really happen to my skin. But that's another product that is very affordable. DH7 is very affordable as well. I think HT26 is more expensive than DH7 and Radiant Glow Botanical. Radiant Glow Botanical lotion retails for about, I'm not sure, it's up to £25. I'm not sure. and they also have a website in the UK. They ship worldwide. Check the video to get the full details and decide whether you want to buy it or not. Now the next product I'm going to be talking about is Gluta C. That's also another product that is good for beginners, and that one is a little bit it's a little bit potent, or it's more potent than the others, and but it's not going to bleach your skin unless you're going to get the fake. If you get the original, it's not supposed to bleach your skin. Just go for it. Go for the lotion. Go for the just go for the complete set. But if it has a tube, don't go for the tube, please. I don't know if they have a tube now, but as per the time I knew it didn't have any tube. But don't go for tubes. If you are brightening, you're starting, you're a beginner, avoid using tubes on your skin. So that will be it for this video, and there are many more lotions that you can apply on your skin as a beginner, but these are just the ones I selected and I'm giving them out to you. There are many. If I have to talk about all of them, the video will not end today. So check out all those products and make your decision whether you want to have them or not. But in any case, whatever you choose to do to your skin, it's your choice. I'll just advise you that if you want to do something on your skin, take it easy. When it comes to skincare, little is better than much. Should I say, like a little goes a long way. Take it bit by bit. Don't try to rush things out, else you end up damaging your skin, and it will be more expensive for you to repair your skin. So if you enjoy this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that up till now. And please help me share this video with your friends, because we don't want to see people walking around with damaged skin, all in the name of they want to use Carolite, they want to use, like, there's no sense in it. Share this video so that somebody can learn from it, and leave a comment below what you think about this video. And if you have any questions, leave them below. If you have personal questions, yeah, not issues, personal questions regarding the skin, you can contact me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle below. And if you have any question regarding this video, leave it below as well, and I'll see you in the comment section. Bye bye. Stay blessed.